Smoothies can be a tasty way to get your fruits and veggies on the go. But beware of store-bought or fast food smoothies. They can have more calories, sugar, and fat than some greasy breakfast sandwiches. So make sure to read the nutrition labels. If you're making your own, be sure to include enough protein and nutrients so the smoothie keeps you full, and not so much sugar and fat that you end up tanking your nutrition plan. Here's an easy smoothie recipe that's also good for you. Add a whole banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 8 ounces of Greek yogurt, and half a cup of ice. Blend and enjoy. This delicious combination clocks in at only 200 calories. Click on an option to continue. And if you have any health questions, make sure to reach out to your local HCA facilities for more information.